All right, welcome. Today, we're going to break down a really important SQL concept. It might sound a bit complex at first, but trust me, it's one of the most useful tools you'll have in your toolbox. We're talking about mastering smart searching.
So here's what we're going to do. We'll kick things off with a problem I know you've had. Then we'll look at SQL's answer to it, check out the magic behind it, see how it's used out in the wild, and then it's your turn to practice. Ready? Let's go. All right, let's just jump right in with a scenario, and I'm pretty sure this is going to sound familiar to you.
You've totally done this, right? You're scrolling through your phone, you know their name starts with a J, but is it Jen, Jenny, Jennifer? We've all been there.
Well, guess what? Databases have the exact same problem. They need a way to find stuff when you only have part of the information. And for that, SQL has this amazing tool built just for that. It's called the LIKE operator.
So, what is this like operator, really? I mean, how is it any different from just using a regular equal sign in our query? Let's break it down.
Okay, here's the absolute main thing to get. The equal sign, it's a perfectionist. It demands a perfect character-by-character match. No exceptions. But like, it's way more chill. It's not looking for something identical. It's looking for something that fits a pattern. To see this in action, let's use the super simple contacts table. We've got 3 names here, Rahul, Ramesh, and Priya.
Now check out this query. See that part that says like RA%? That little percent sign at the end, that's where the magic happens. What we're basically telling the database is, hey, find me any name that starts with Ray, and I honestly don't care what comes after it. Anything at all.
And boom! Look at that. The database pulls back Rahul and Ramesh because they both fit our pattern. Priya? Totally ignored. It's really that simple and super powerful.
So how does this actually work? Well, the real secret sauce behind the like operator are these 2 special characters. We call them wildcards.
First up, we have the percent sign. This is the one you're going to use most of the time. Just think of it as a super flexible placeholder. It can stand in for, well, anything. 0 characters, 1 character, 100 characters, it doesn't matter. It just means any sequence of characters goes here.
And you can get really smart with this. Slap it on the end, and you're searching for something that starts with a specific pattern. Put it at the beginning, and you're looking for something that ends with it. And if you sandwich your text between 2 of them, you're searching for something that just contains that pattern anywhere inside. Okay, on to our second wildcard, the underscore. Now, if the percent sign is all about flexibility, the underscore is all about precision. It's a placeholder for exactly 1 character. Not 0, not 2, it has to be 1 single character. So let's say we wanted to find a 5-letter name that starts with R, kind of like Ramesh in our example table. We could write our query to look like R underscore 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 underscore. See that? It's the letter R followed by 4 underscores. Each underscore stands for one of those remaining 4 letters.
Okay, quick heads up. This is a really important detail you'll run into in the real world. Case sensitivity. Depending on your database, like might care about uppercase and lowercase. So a system like Postgres is strict about it by default. Rahul with a lowercase r will not find Rahul with a capital R. But other systems like MySQL are more relaxed about it. It's just one of those things you have to know about your specific setup.
So why should you care about any of this? Because whether you know it or not, you're already using the logic of the like operator every single day. I mean, seriously, think about it. That search bar on Amazon or Google that starts guessing what you want, that's pattern matching. Filtering your songs in a music app, pattern matching. Searching for a customer in a CRM, finding a file on your computer, it's all powered by this exact same idea. It's the secret engine running in the background of everything we do online.
Here's a perfect example from the industry. You go to an e-commerce site, right? You type phone in the search bar. The site runs a query that looks exactly like this. And what does it find? Smartphone, phone case, headphones, anything and everything with the word phone in it. That's Leica at work.
Okay, so that's the how and the why of the like operator. Let's do a super quick review, and then I'm going to let you try your hand at it.
Okay, let's boil it all down. 4 key things to remember. 1. Like is for searching patterns. 2. The percent sign matches any number of characters. 3. The underscore matches exactly 1 character. And 4. Always be mindful of case sensitivity. Got it? Good.
First up, an easy one. You've got a table called students. How would you write a query to find every single student whose name starts with the letter A?
All right, let's ramp it up a bit. Now you've got a products table. Your job is to find any product that has the word book somewhere in its name.
And finally, for the challenge round, how would you find an employee from an employees table who has a name that's exactly 5 letters long and starts with an S?
See, what we just went over, it's more than just some SQL command. It's a core concept for building smarter, better software. When you really get how Like works, you're not just writing queries anymore. You're starting to understand how to build the kind of powerful, intuitive search features that we all use and depend on every single day.